Hello my dear friends. So today we will start how to create a Ubuntu EC2 instance in AWS and how we configure this Linux machine using Git Bash. So to start this we have to open our AWS account. So for this we have to open our AWS account. So I am giving AWS Amazon.com. Now you have to sign in with your credential. Just see, it's already signed in with my credential. So this is our AWS consoles and these are different type of service. Right now I am in Mumbai region. Okay, now I am going to create a EC2 instance Linux machine. This it's already saying the virtual server in cloud, so I click on this. So for creating any new EC2 instances we have to click on launch instances. So first click there. Once we click there, just see in top you are getting 7 steps like choose machine type, choose instance type, configuration, add a storage, add tag, configuration, security and reviews. So in first step we have to select which type of machine we want. Amazon Linux, Ubuntu Linux, Mac, Windows. So currently we are taking the Ubuntu Linux. So we are searching for Ubuntu Linux. Go down. This one is okay for us, Ubuntu Linux server, and this is also a free tier server. Means free tier is enough for us to practice and all. So I am selecting here free tier. Select. Once we select the free tier account, then it will ask for instance type, means whatever we selected, what will the configuration of that RAM, memory and all. So for that, just a minute, I am opening Paint. We will discuss here. Just see, this is our AWS cloud. AWS cloud, and top of that this is our machine. Okay, now for these machines we need to provide what and all configuration we require, like how we purchase our LAPI and all. We provide configuration. Same way we have to provide here configuration, like we need RAM, CPU, third one is hard disk, okay. So here in free account, free tier, RAM should be 1 GB and CPU will be provided. It's depend on you how much CPU you want. By default it's 1, and hard disk is nothing, the storage. So just see free tier. Here you can see the memory, 1 GB memory is there, and number of CPUs, it's saying that 1 and 1 GB memory. So I selected this one and we continue the configure the instances. The second instances, the configure instances, it means it's asking how many instances you want. Means if we type here 10, it will give 10 instances, 10 similar machine. So right now we are giving one only, so it will give one. Now next it will come to a storage. So by default you see here 8 GB storage is there. It means hard disk storage is 8 GB. Okay, so these are by default, we are not doing anything. Add tags are default, nothing we have to do with tags. Now we will come to security. Security is one of the important thing. Just let's discuss. Just see, this is our machine in AWS cloud and in Mumbai region, right? Now this is our system and we are at some location. Whatever the location you are, your system is here, right? Okay, system, system. So you want to connect your system with this machine, so there should be a port through which our machine will connect, our system will connect with this machine. So there should be port so that our system will connect with this machine. This port is nothing, you can see here, this SSH port. But by default AWS is so smart, they've given the port here. This provide the SSH port. Through this SSH port our system will connect to this machine. Okay, so nothing we have to do. Now we will review this and launch. Okay, while launching it will ask for security key. So its security is nothing but it's a .pem file. So we have to download the security key. I will tell you why security key is important. So here we will provide any name, machine1, machine1. I provided the security key name machine1 and downloaded the key pair, see machine1.pem file, and continue launch the instances, and we'll continue view the instances. So this is our new instances. It's in pending state, it will take some time to come in running state. It's came in running state. We will give some name here. I will give machine1 only, machine1, and we save. Now we need to connect this machine, we need to connect this machine to our system. So how? We need a terminal for that. So here we are using Git Bash terminal to connect our system with this machine. So connect our terminal to this machine. So let's see how to connect with Git Bash and all. For I selected this machine and click on connect. Under connect you will go to SSH. Once I go to SSH, here you will see the Git Bash command, SSH command to run the to connect our machine. So I copy this and kept it somewhere for time being here. Now if Git Bash is not installed in our system, first we need to install the Git Bash. So I search the Git Bash. We need to click on first one only. From here we need to download according to our system configuration, just like Windows setup. You want Git Bash in Windows setup, and if your Windows 16 GB, then you click on 64 GB and you will get this exe file in your system. Once it will download, you have to click on next. By default configuration, and it will install in your system. To confirm whether it's installed in your system or not, I already installed in my system, so I am showing you. To confirm whether it's installed in your system or not, you have to write here Git Bash. So it will showing that it's already installed in your system. Now here you saw that machine1.pm file I downloaded, so I will go to that folder wherever this file is downloaded. This file is downloaded here, so I right click here only and Git Bash here. I click on Git Bash here, so our Git Bash is open here. Now we need to provide the command, whatever our command is there. We copy already, so I copy again this one, need to paste here. So once we paste, it will ask whether you want to connect or not. You will give yes. If you provide yes with warning, it's connected. Now how we know whether it's connected or not? Just see here, it will give the IP address of our machine, Ubuntu machine 172.31.47.131. We can check this the same here. So we need to go to our instances, we need to click here, and you can see our IP address. This one only, the IP address. So we will get to know whether this is connected or not. In this way we connect our EC2 instance, EC2 machine, EC2 Linux machine